Good morning, children. Welcome to Kindergarten 3. And this is your teacher, Teacher Joe. Today we are now in Unit 4. And Unit 4 is all about farm animals. And what you're going to do, you're going to identify animals in the farm. Or, in other words, identify farm animals. I have here some pictures to show. Help me identify farm animals from the other. What is this? Very good. It's a cow. Cow. What about this one? What is that? Very good. It's a turtle. Turtle. Oh my, it's very cute. What is it? Yes, it's a rabbit. Rabbit. How about this one? Oh, it's a horse. Horse. How about the next picture? Oh my! It's a chicken. Chicken. How about this one? Oh my! It's so cute. It's a bear. Bear. Oh! It's a crocodile. Very good. Crocodile. And the last one is duck. Duck. Alright, kids. Let us read again and follow with teacher. Alright, the first one is cow. Cow. Turtle. Turtle. Rabbit. Rabbit. Horse. Horse. Chicken. Chicken. Bear. Bear. Crocodile. Crocodile. And the last one is duck. Duck. From the pictures shown, what animals are found in the farm? Cow. Cow. Turtle. Turtle. Rabbit. Rabbit. Horse. Horse. Chicken. Chicken. And the last one is duck. Duck. Okay, kids, that is our lesson for today. Goodbye.